Hey champions, welcome back to the channel. If you're here, it means you're hunting for real, working MCOC promo codes for 2024. I know how frustrating it is to find expired or fake ones all over the internet, so today, I've got you covered. I'll share legit codes that can help you grab free units, crystals, boosts, and more. And I'll even share a secret tip to get future codes before anyone else. Stick around, because some of these codes are limited and might disappear fast. All right, let's dive straight into the codes you've been waiting for. These promo codes are currently active in 2024 and have been tested by our community. Hero Boost 2024 gives you a 20% XP boost for 3 days. Champions 2024 unlocks a free 2-star crystal, Fight Smart. Claim 50 units instantly after redemption. Power Up 24 grants 1 small energy refill. MCOCLEGEND 3-star Hero Shard Bundle. Quest Hunter free revive potion for questing. Winner 24 small gold crystal for quick resource boost. Alliance gift. Alliance help boosts for 48 hours. Make sure to redeem these as soon as possible because Kabum often updates and disables expired codes quickly. Now here's the trick. If you want to stay ahead of everyone else and grab upcoming promo codes before they're gone, make sure you sign up for the official newsletter and follow trusted affiliate partners, like the link I've pinned in the description. Many of these codes are dropped first through affiliates and special events, so being on that list means you'll be the first to claim them. And here's a little secret tactic I personally use. Always redeem codes through the in-game store promo section and check your inbox right after. Sometimes they send bonus gifts as part of seasonal promotions when you redeem codes during special campaigns. So that's the latest list of working MCOC promo codes for 2024. If even one of these codes worked for you, smash that like button, share this with your Alliance members, and subscribe for more regular updates. I'll be updating this video's description whenever new codes drop, so bookmark it and never miss out on free rewards again. Thanks for watching, and may your pulls be legendary!